finally, we're gonna put ang ating gata. Oh my God, came from the Philippines. Yes. Where's the coconut milk came from? From the coconut tree. Where's the coconut tree came from? Of course, God created. And of course, tayo ay alagan na naman natin. So, we gonna go on eat. Siyempre, same time is mag-vlog ka ta. Same time, bukuin ng papaya. July buslo. Eto, magluto na tayo. And of course, for all of you guys, and this is our YouTube creator one. For today is kaliguran, mag-vlog ko. So, and of course, magluto kong what you call it, paksi. Sinali ko kasi like the big fish yesterday. It's almost like a half price kasi that's almost like late at night. So, wait, try itong camera. Tagay itong gimbal right in here. So, while we making the food at saka ating katang kaldero. Siyempre, we always inspired, never expired. Later on, abayan mo ko, kikikatang hapunan. Siyempre, kaya ka lagi. We always inspired, never expired. Finally, ay na just ko kanyaman. Ano na yung camera ngayon? It's really good and it looks so delicious. So that's all you, we gonna go and eat. Abayan mo kikikatang hapunan. Siyempre, may kapag-vlog sana. And of course, the same time, ay na, may kapagluto ta ng kikatang. Charan! Charan, kami. Nina naman yung camera ngayon. Kagulunan, yung kalikot. Tigman ta ni bata makapagpaalam ta na. Yes, it's really good this one. It's really look delicious and of course it was so... Patayin ko na yung kayang kainan. Yung kalikot kasi eh. Yan. Yung kalikot. Malikot yung pakana ako. And then this one, it's really good. It looks so delicious. Siyempre, iba rin yung nagluluto tayo because we cannot afford to eat sa fancy restaurant. So, we're craving a Filipino foods. Wow. Kanyaman ha. Imagine that. Di naman dito ako patas. Yung kanyaman. Wow. Wala namang gamat to kaninin eh. Di naman kayong gata. Talagang gatuan ka talaga kayong pamangan Pilipino eh. Paksi. Nagulunggong. No. It's a big piece of tuna. With gata, Korean version. Tapos salamat. Kapapangan version pala. Follow me, follow you back.